Hey everybody, Raging Wolf here, and I'm playing BattleBlock Theater Muckle playthrough. Quick update. I'm going to be doing a playthrough with my brother or someone else, hint hint, in the future. But until then, I have to wait and see until that person can or cannot play. So for now, I'm going to play some Muckle online and probably rage like a motherfucker. So, enjoy. And I get a random invite for Soul Calibur. Not happening. Absolutely not. Muckle time. It's Muckle time again. Gonna kick some ass and win, hopefully. Alright. I am okay. I shall do this. Also, if I sound a little weird, it's because I have a cold. But I'm pushing through it for you, for the people that watch my videos. And people who still haven't subscribed, please like, favorite, and subscribe. And leave a comment in the description telling me what you think. It can be hate, or it can be love. Don't give a damn what it is, as long as it's a comment, subscription, and a thumbs up. Alright. We wait. We wait for people to join. We wait. Ah, someone has joined. Heartless Lover. Crunchy Macaroni. What a fucking name. Oh, that's fucked up. No. No. Absolutely not. Yeah. Much better. No, get your motherfucker. Blue, motherfucker, blue. We stay blue. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this. What? Oh, motherfucker! Oh, he's got fire. Oh, don't you do it? Oh, yeah, get wrecked. Get fucking dunked. What? What am I talking? Oh, well, that looked like hurt. What? Excuse me. All right. What? You motherfucker! Get your bitch. No, you bitch. What? God damn it, teammate. Move! Move, you look-alike. Oh. What? Oh no. Oh no. Oh. He hit me in the spikes, you piece of fucking shit. Oh. Oh no. Oh, you. Yeah, I survived it. Like a pro. Alright, let's go, MLG. That looked like it hurt. Like a. Ow! Oh! No. Oh, I'm on fire. No, I'm not. No, I'm not on fire. Now I got punched in the face. He's on fire. No, he's not. What the fuck? Well, shit. Oh, no. Oh, you bitch. Normally it'd be red versus blue, or blue versus red. Nope. Now it's pink versus blue. Understands. Makes total sense. Oh my god, my nose, please. Oh no. No, I gotta scratch my nose. Oh, god damn it. Oh, my nose is just... Okay, I scratched it. I'm good. Hey, we still won. Whew. Yeah, get wrecked. Bad kids. Oh no. Oh. Koala's just sitting there. He's hatching a plan. He's gonna kick my ass. Ooh, I told you. Look at him. Ooh, ooh. Oh, oops. It's for the greater good, right? Oh shit. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, koala. Come get some of this. Oh! No, I got cocky. Please. Ow! Ooh! What the hell? How'd I do that? Ah! You bitch! What? How dare you interrupt Wolf's dancing, you bastard! Oh! Haha, I got you too, bitch. Oh, no. No, no, no. Oh, oh, oh. You piece of shit! You motherfucker! You, oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, you bitch! Oh fuck! Ha ha! Get good. Get fucking wrecked, bad kid. Get wrecked, bad kids. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Oh, oh. You fucker. Ooh. No, no. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Fuck you, Moose. Fuck you, Moose. Fuck you, koala. Oh! Taste my monkey fist, bitch. Oh, no. No. No, no. Fuck you. Get out of here. Ooh. Moose! You bastard. Yeah, fuck. Alright. Moose. You motherfucker. Bye, baby. Moose! You fuck! Moose! Moose! Koala, please. Koala, you don't understand. I have to get the moose. You don't understand. I have to get the moose. It's a pink moose. It's the rarest of the breeds! What the fuck? How am I? Get the fuck down from there. Get the fuck out. You bitch. Ugh. Oh, that does it. Ugh. Ooh, wait until I get my... Ooh. Ooh. What the hell? Fuck, I missed. No, the moose. The moose. Yeah. Fuck you, moose. Oh. Oh. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to record something to talk to y'all on because I've been dealing with a cold. That's why I haven't been recording. I don't know if you can hear it, but I just wanted to make a little video, give y'all something to watch and to comment to and stuff like that because I had to make a new channel. All the subscribers I had, I lost because I deleted my channel, deleted the name, deleted all my videos, and I'm making new ones. So if anybody who watches my videos knows anyone who was on my channel and subscribed to me, just please give them my information, my new one. It'll be very helpful. It's really hard moving from channel to channel, especially when you lose your subscribers and followers. So that would be really appreciated. And I don't want to fucking trade. I really don't want to fucking trade. Fuck trading. So, just want to recap. I'm going to be doing videos in the future on BattleBlock. I might do a gameplay on Xenoverse. Who knows? I might even do a Return of fucking Worms to Armageddon. If not, I'll do another video possibly with Avatar Warfare or something like that. And if I do, you'll see it. And if I don't, just tell me what I should play, because I might do a series of me just rage quitting through stuff, like doing rage quits. So just let me know in the comments, please. You motherfucker moose. I'm gonna beat the living shit out of you. You flying moose fuck. Ugh. You piece of shit. You fucking spider moose. Come here. I'm gonna kick your ass, you winged spider moose. Get the fuck over here. Spider moose does whatever a fucking spider moose does. God damn it. Bitch. I'm gonna kick your ass, bitch. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you, Spider Moose. Fuck you, you killed your teammate. You ain't shit. Get the fucking water. What? Oh my god, he's fucking the holy fucking Spider Moose. Oh, you bitch. Yeah, fuck you, Spider Moose. Fuck you, Spider Moose. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. And fuck you. Fuck you. Moose. Get spawn killed, bad kid. Get spawn killed. Fuck, my voice. What the hell happened? I fucking broke my vocal cords there. I need to take a cough drop in a minute. Fucker. So yeah, after this game I'm gonna end the recording and yeah. After this match. The two matches, I mean. Like when it goes all the way back to where you go to the main thing. That. You give me a minute while I take a sip of my drink. You bastard. Oh, I get it. Chill out. Fuck you. How about this, Spider Moose? Fucking asshole. The fucking ice moose. Get the fuck out of here. It's an Alaskan bull moose. What? What? Fucker. You killed me with the stupidest, weakest fucking weapon in the game. Are you fucking kidding me? Get the fuck out of here. Fuck you, moose. Yes. Chill out, moose. Calm down. Chill your tits. Fuck. You burning moose. You fire moose. From Fire Mountain. Come here. Beat the... Fuck you. Fucking fire moose. Fire moose. Burns everything in the fucking building. Fuck you. Eat my bubble. How's that? A monkey who blows bubbles. What's up, bitch? What's up, bitch? Eat the bubble. Eat it. Eat the fucking bubble. Eat it. Eat it. No, I'm kidding. Don't eat it. Fuck you. Fuck you! No! I'm burning. Oh! It's getting... I forgot what the fuck I'm saying. Blah, blah, blah. Died. Yeah. Yeah! You fuck! Yeah, fire punch. Hadouken, bitch! Rage quit much? Ah, the moose left. Fuck you, moose. That's right. Fuck you. Fuck you and everything you stand for. Alright. So, after this... No. Now I'm going to end it. Alright, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, favorite, and subscribe.